Welcome to all analysts. If you're preparing for a Tableau interview, this video is just for you. In this session, we'll cover the top Tableau interview questions and answers to help you confidently ace your interview. Let's moving on to the next question. What is a dual axis? Dual axis combination charts, or combo charts, are an effective chart type for showing related information while saving real estate by combining views. This chart type is created with one shared axis, such as an x-axis for date, and two separate axes, such as y-axis for two different measures. Let make heat map drag segment into column, and drag category into rows and drag subcategory into rows, and go to the mark shelf and click on the drop-down menu and select square, and drag sum of profit into color and sum of profit into label. Go to the color option and click on edit option and select orange color. The heat map is ready. You can change color according to your requirements. For making tree map, first drag profit into colors, and then sales into size, and then subcategory into label, and then go to the color and edit option and choose green color. The tree map is ready. Let's move on to the next question. What is meant by discrete and continuous in Tableau? In Tableau, fields can be discrete, blue, or continuous, green, affecting how they are displayed in visualizations. For example, customer name, order ID, city. These fields categorize data and create headers in tables or labels in charts. Sales revenue, temperature, profit margin. These fields are measured, allowing smooth transitions in charts like histograms or trend lines. Tableau represents data depending on whether the field is discrete, blue, or continuous, green. Discrete, individually separate and distinct. Continuous, forming an unbroken whole without interruption. The next question is, what are the data types in Tableau? Numerical values. Date and time values. Date values, string values, Boolean values, geographical values. The different types of Tableau filters are extract filters, context filters, data source filters, filters on measures, filters on dimensions, table calculation filter. Let's jump to the next question. It's also a very important question. What are sets? Sets are custom fields that define a subset of data based on some conditions defined by the users. In simple terms, creating sets in Tableau means putting multiple values in a single set depending on user conditions. Use cases of sets in Tableau. Filtering data dynamically, for example, top n values. Comparing groups between high-value and low-value customers. Creating advanced calculations using in-out logic, enhancing dashboard interactivity with set actions. Let's take a look at the next question. What are groups? Group is used to combine members present in a field. For example, aggregated values of furniture and office supplies can be obtained by using group. Once the grouping data in Tableau is done, aggregated value of furniture and office supplies can be shown in the visuals. For making group, first drag sales into column and drag subcategory into rows. The first 5 accessories I want to combine with help of this group headers. I will scroll down, I will click on this subcategory here, you will see an option Create Group. I will create on this group option. I will get a dialog box. The name of the group will be given. I want to give 5 element into the group by selecting Control-click and then click on this group button. When I will drag sales into column and subcategory group into rows, all elements are given. You can see small office appliance. This is how you can create group. There are 3 customer segments in the Superstore dataset. What % of the total profits are associated with the corporate segment? Drag segment field to the rows shelf. Here, segment consists of consumer, corporate, and home office. Double-click on the profit field under measures. Right-click on sum, profit, under marks card, select quick table calculation, and click on % of the total. Let's move to the next question. How can you display the top 5 and bottom 5 sales in the same view? We can display it using the in-out functionality of sets. Drag the customer name field to rows shelf and profit field to columns shelf to get the visualization. Create a set by right-clicking on the customer name field. Choose to create an option and click on Set. Provide the name Top Customers to the set. Configure the set by clicking on Top tab, selecting By field, and filling the values as top, 5, profit, and sum. Similarly, create a second set called bottom customers and fill the by field values as bottom, 5, profit, and sum. Select these two sets and right-click on it. Use the option Create Combined Set. Name it Top and Bottom Customers and include all members of both sets. Pull the top and bottom customers onto filters. The next question is, what is the difference between joining and blending? Combining the data from two or more different sources is data blending, such as Oracle, Excel, and SQL Server. In data blending, each data source contains its own set of dimensions and measures. Combining the data between two or more tables or sheets within the same data source is data joining. All the combined tables or sheets contain a common set of dimensions and measures. The last question is, what is a hierarchical field? Hierarchies arrange data fields in a level. For instance, a geography hierarchy would have a region, country, state, city, area levels. Or a time hierarchy has a year, month, week, day as its levels. By creating hierarchies in Tableau, we set our data on different levels of detail and organize it. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I truly appreciate your support.